Hey there, it's me. I'm going to talk to you today about vision boards. I'm obsessed with vision boards. I will tell you, they are a reminder and a visual trigger to keep you on track. So, how and what do you do with a vision board? Where do you start? What do you put on it? What do you just all of it, right? I'm going to tell you. So, your vision board is a roadmap for the future you want to create. It's not just arts and crafts, it's a tool to focus your energy and your intentions on what really matters to you. By seeing your goals every day in a place where you can see them, you're keeping them front and center and you're giving yourself the clarity and power to make the things on it happen for yourself. So, step by step, you can do it digitally, you can do it analog. If you like cutting out magazines and images and pictures or going on Pinterest and printing things out or not printing things out and putting it on a collage in a digital format, you do you. I do encourage you once, even if you do it, create it digitally to print it out and put it somewhere that you can see it every day. Or if you do it digitally, then put it as your screensaver, put it as your desktop, whatever that takes. So take a few minutes to reflect. Grab a notebook and jot down some answers to some of these prompts. What are the three things that you want to achieve in 2025? Whether it's career, it's relationships, it's personal growth, it's fitness, it's wellness, whatever. What makes you feel alive and fulfilled? What really brings you joy? And what would your dream life look like? Be specific, big but realistic. Don't overthink. Just think about what lights you up. Then gather your materials, whether it's a poster board, a corkboard, a notebook, scissors, glue, markers, tape, whatever you want to get, or use Canva, use Pinterest, use a digital collage app, whatever it takes. Look for images, words, symbols, quotes. I'll tell you, I have a bunch of both of them. I'll show you mine and I'll walk you through it. And I'll tell you why I picked the things that I picked. But the point is, you have to feel good. You want to put your vision board in a state of future as if it's happening right now. If you've got trips coming up, think about putting the places that you're going to be traveling to on your vision board. I'm going to be traveling to Spain and to Greece, and I put the specific images of the places within those two countries that I'm going to be visiting with the people that I'm going to be visiting it with. So, you be as specific as you can. You want this visual interpretation to light you up. You want it to remind you. So, on mine, I say anything is possible with intention, planning, and action. You've heard me say this a million times. It's in my book. I've said it on the podcast. I say it in my coaching. I say it in my speeches. It's true. You can't have one without the others, and you can't have the others without the one. So, think about that. Also, place your most important goals in the center for that particular year and keep it nearby. So, again, be specific, be positive, and for God's sake, have fun, right? All right. So, let me share with you mine. Let's see if I know how to share on this if you're watching this on YouTube. So, do you see the travel on the left? You see the family on the right. You see fitness goals down below and money goals down below. I have quotes that say schedule fun, increase joy, decrease cringe, friends, monthly fun gatherings, schedule fun, speaking, book, retreats, community, Monique's Mafia, spirituality, quotes. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny. Gandhi said that, and I'm putting it on my board. The other quote that I have up here says, learn how to select your thoughts just the same way you select what clothes you're going to wear every day. This is a power you can cultivate. Remember, if you believe in neuroplasty, if you believe in the way the mind and the body is connected, you can create manifestations of good and also of bad. So surround yourself with positive thoughts and positive people. This is the secret to creating vision boards, to having positive energy within you, around you, for you. So now that I've shared the vision board exercise, go through what it is that you want to accomplish. Think about it and just create an image around it. If you don't like imagery of your own, then select imagery that intrigues you or interests you or motivates you that's online. If you have a fitness image and you don't want to put a picture of yourself doing whatever the thing that you want to be doing is doing, then pick an image of somebody that really inspires you. I've realized that my golf score could be so much better if only I learned how to putt better, right? If you take one stroke off your putting, so I three putt all the time, sometimes four putts, right? If I take one stroke off of each hole, I'm already improving my score by 18 points. So I made that a goal. I want to be a better cyclist. I want to make sure that I'm weight training harder and more often. So those are all my fitness goals. My family goals is that I want to make sure that my immediate family and we stay very connected and, having fun and creating events together where we can spend some quality time. And because I'm so intrigued by, Joe Dispenza and some of the finest neuroplasty thought leaders in the world, you will listen to people tell you that you can reverse your aging. Kendra always says to me, "Oh, you're reverse aging." Well, maybe. I've decided that I want it to be 47. So the number 47 appears on my vision board. It reminds me that 47 was a great pivotal year for me. It was the year that I got my black belt in mixed martial arts karate. It was also the year that I realized I didn't care what anybody else thought of me. It was the year that I realized I didn't need to keep fighting, that I was okay, and that I could be my own authentic self, even though I hate that word. I could be myself and not, have a story about who I am or how tough I am or whatever. I was just me. And so that year for me was the beginning of the journey of freedom. So I decided that this year I would have myself physiologically be 47. So I even reprogrammed my scale, the scale that gives you your BMI and your weight and your height and your age. Well, instead of putting my real age, I put in 47. Well, now is going to be my real age in air quotes. So some of you might think I'm bullshit. And then others of you have read the research that says that you can actually do and make some impact on your physiology and your psychology and the way you show up and the way your cells are programmed. Negativity will impact your physiology. Positivity has the reverse effect. So what would you rather do? Would you rather age faster or age in reverse? I don't know. You tell me. So vision boards, back to our regularly scheduled program, are a way to keep you motivated and on your game. Your BHAGs, as you've heard me say, big, hairy, audacious goals. They belong on your vision board. I have the people that mean the most to me on that vision board. The ones that I want to look at every day and say, yep, they're fun to be with. Let's make sure that we see each other monthly. Let's make sure we do something weekly. Let's make sure that we light ourselves up with the things that give us joy, and everything else will follow. I'm convinced that this is going to be the best year yet. So 2025, join me in making it that way. Remember, anything is possible with some intention, planning, and oh my God, action. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. I invite you to please rate the podcast. It helps us a lot to see those ratings, and it helps us a lot come up on people's feeds that may not have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do that. You have to follow the show, subscribe. It doesn't do anything other than just let you know when a new episode has dropped. So thank you for your support. Thank you for listening, and go get it. Go get it. I invite you to make 2025 the best year yet. With much love and much gratitude, Monique.